To recover deleted photos and videos, you must first enable the Recycle Bin or Version Retention feature. If these features are not enabled, the deleted photos will not be recoverable. Go to File Manager. Management. Recycle Bin Management. Select the target folder, and click Enable Bin. Or, go to Version Manager. Settings to access the Settings page, and select the personal or shared folder where you wish to enable version retention to turn it on. Enter File Manager. Select the top-level directory folder where the deleted images are located. Click on Recycling Bin, and view the deleted files. Select the files you want to restore, and choose Restore from the right-click drop-down menu to recover the deleted photos. Enter Version Manager. Select the folder where the deleted images are located to view the photos that currently exist in that folder. Check the box for Show Deleted Items to display both deleted and non-deleted photos within the folder. Deleted photos will not have a preview, and there will be a red dot at the bottom right corner of the file. Select individual or multiple photos for restoration by checking the boxes, then click Restore to recover the deleted photos.